so excited today you're here because you have made a commitment to yourself. You have finally thought that it's time to reduce those extra kgs across your belly and your whole body. And you're looking for an easy way in or an easy way out. So no worries, I'm here to give you your beginner's guidance to follow 3 major YouTubers who can help you reduce, who helped me reduce and look half the perfect body for my wedding. Talking about how difficult it is to go to the gym and start off from the first day with intensive workouts and losing interest in a week. I have been there, I've done that. And I don't intend to spend more money on 6-month subscription where I just go for 1 month and then I have so many other priorities that I just cannot make it to the gym on time and not do anything about those weight across my body. But yes, so I thought, enough of spending money on these gym training and everything, and I thought that maybe I'm not ready and maybe I'm not confident enough to go to the gym yet. So I thought, why not I start with home workouts first and then ease my way into the gym and do some intensive workouts with dumbbells and all those weights and extra things that they use. Okay, so if you're like me and you're looking and it's your first day, very motivated to do something about it, relax. Do not overstress yourself. Do not overdo on the first few weeks. Take it slow. Take it as slow as possible. For that, you might want to check out low intensive workouts. Now, if you are not a person who is like too jumpy in life and want to be like, oh, hey, let's do this. Yeah, I don't have that much energy. I am going old. So if you're like me, do not have so much energy, so much enthusiasm. So what we can do is a low intensive workout, which is equally effective and will ease your way into the workout sessions. So if you have heard, I think this is the first thing that everybody looks at. If you're looking at home workout, we directly go to Chloe Ting. She's amazing, I know. I don't have that energy. I did 1 day and I couldn't even finish the entire workout session of 30 minutes. It was too vigorous. Her beginner workouts are also too intensive to follow and we lose motivation and we lose it all. But I found 3 crazy workout buddies for you who can help you ease your way in with low intensive workout sessions. And maybe by the end of 2-3 months, you can definitely look at higher intensive workout or medium intensive workout, and by the end of the year you can really work that high intensity workout. That's where I am right now, and I'm coming from experience, and has helped me lose a lot of weight and a lot of energy to talk to you today. So here we go. The first is Lena Snow. Now you can find her YouTube right here, as you can see. Her workouts are very slow, very low intensive, and they are floor workouts. They are dedicated to your body parts, whichever you want to, reduce first. I know spot reduction is a myth. That's what everybody talks about. Spot reduction is a myth. You have to do everything. Yes, you have to do everything, but you also need to work on those spots. So why not use one of the spots as from one of the YouTuber. I checked out Lena Snow's lean arms challenge of 7 days, and I kept repeating it for 3 weeks and I did see changes. So that is the first thing that I did was start my workout with a 10 minutes Lena Snow's lean arm challenge. Then I would turn to Pamela Reeve for her abs workout. Her abs workout are crazy and she gives so much motivation, and she's slow. She's not vigorous. The timeline is not very high. It is 15 to 20 minutes. very much doable. When I say very much doable, I think you really need to see me how I work out. I'm very lazy and I'm not a person who's very enthusiastic, so she made me work. She made me do a 20 minutes workout of abs, and it was super fun, super intensive, and super painful after it. So that was my 20 minutes in a row, and then if I have time, I go for a 7,000 walk, which is like a daily walk that you should do to be fit. Yes. Next day in a week, I would definitely go for something like a cardio session. A full cardio session would be good by Hannah Millie. She's amazing with her standing workouts, and you can definitely work those abs, work those arms, work those legs, everything at once with her. So it's like a 20 to 30 minutes workout with her. These people, all of them have multiple workouts. Now, if you're bored with just one workout, do not get bored. Feel free to, go through all the videos. Every video is somehow working your body up. So that's all you need. You need to make that body work. So whichever you want. Pamela has this beautiful Pilates, dancing cardio, and she has amazing set of workouts that you can explore and do on a different things daily. So you're not bored with one workout or one routine. You can always explore. I would definitely recommend these 3 YouTubers who changed my life, who changed my workout system, and these will definitely help you get into that shape and give you the confidence to definitely go to the gym and work out with dumbbells and other stuff. So however, I have been very comfortable and very much seeing very different results over my body through these workouts. So I really don't think that I want to hit the gym right away, but I might think about it in future. But right now I'm pretty content and nice with all the workouts that I do on my own, and really boosts my energy, boosts my morale, and I feel much more confident when I'm doing it all alone in my room. And yeah, so that is how it is. Definitely these 3 are the ones. Yes, Chloe Ting is always on the chart. So yes, right now in my 9th month of working out, yes, it's my 9th working out alone at home, I definitely have started Chloe Ting, but I still find it difficult. But yes, I'm able to do it because I have that much energy and that much stamina to do her workouts now. So don't right away go to Ting. She is an amazing body transformer, but you might want to wait for her and work these people out and then go to. But once you start Pamela Reeve, I think you will not require anybody else. I mean, she's amazing. All her workout, her toning workouts, everything is on point, high intensity. The way she talks about losing weight in 7 days, it is quite challenging and it works. So definitely I've seen a lot of results following these YouTubers, and I thought I will share it with you for your beginning journey to workout. I hope you like what you heard, and if you have any questions around the fooding habit, I did not really change any fooding habit. Yes, I made sure that I'm working out every day. Consistency is consistency is consistency. It's important. Everybody talks about it and you have to do it. You have to be motivated even if you're not able to do an entire 30 minutes workout. Start with a 15-minute workout. Come on, I started with 10 minutes workout, to be honest, and I thought I'd lose all that kg in 10 minutes. But I did not. But it did help me to start my just get start with working out with 10 minutes. Then I moved to 30 minutes. No, actually 20 minutes, and then I went to 30, then 45. Now I can easily work out for an hour. Yeah, I can work out for an hour now. So yeah, I think that's a big deal for me from a person who is very lazy and doesn't want to really work those up. So I did not really change any fooding habit. I eat all. I'm an Indian. I can eat. I eat so much oil, but I did not give it up. I did not give it up. But you know what? You will start having less food once you start getting into the regular workout, because that might really you will yourself feel that you're not able to work out as much as you could without stuffing yourself so much. So your fooding habits reduces by itself. You do not really have to worry about it. Yes, there is another video that I've done that I used in my routine, that is a Safola Fitify, that is a slim milk, where I skip a meal and have that protein powder to give me those extra energies to work out. So there is another video, I'll link it down below so that you can find that and take a review on the Safola Fitify that I have for you, and maybe use that for your including in your workout regime, and that might be very much helpful. So this is me, this is honest review on these 3 YouTubers who changed my life, and I love them. Love you guys. Okay, and let me know if you have any questions. I'm free to answer anything. I'm not the fittest person, I'm not a gym maniac, so do not ask me something very very difficult. So yeah, that's me. Love you guys. Bye.